What is up guys, I hope everyone is doing well and I hope you're having an awesome festive break. So in today's video I'm going to unbox a gift that Logitech UK has sent me out, and I'm also going to include a little giveaway, so make sure you stay to the end of the video just to find out how to enter. So with that said, let's get into this. So the first thing out of the box is this Logitech branded Christmas bauble, and I'll make sure to go ahead and put that on my tree. We also have some festive USB lights for brightening up my setup. And next up we have the much loved G502 Hero gaming mouse. And last of all we have something that I am looking forward to testing the most, and that is a Logitech G Pro X gaming headset. So let's go ahead and take a quick look at the G502 Hero. In terms of design, we have a combination of matte black and glossy plastic paired with some rubber grips on each side. The matte plastic seems to do a decent job of hiding those fingerprints, which is definitely nice. And if RGB is your thing, we also have some implemented into the G logo. The scroll wheel features a nice metallic silver, and overall the build quality feels solid on this aggressive angular mouse, and we have a nice braided cable. So the G502 does come with a load of buttons, 11 in total to be precise, and for those of you who like it, here's a little sound test. So of course, to program all the buttons and control the RGB etc, you can utilise Logitech's G Hub. In here you can set everything up that you will ever need, from custom profiles, button assignment, and this can be changed depending if you're using Windows, certain apps, or even on a game by game basis, and obviously we can set the polling rates and DPIs etc to suit our needs. In terms of weight, the G502 comes in at 121 grams, but if you pop the magnetic back cover off, you can install the included weights. That will take it up to 139 grams fully loaded, and you can even install the weights in different positions to get the balance that you prefer. So if you're someone who likes heavier gaming mice, then this is definitely a good option. So overall, I was pretty impressed with the G502. It performed absolutely fine while gaming, and I definitely like the shape, but do bear in mind that this is pretty subjective. The shape, the grip, and all that kind of stuff that you use and prefer will be different to me, so just make sure to go ahead and try it out if that's possible. Okay, so moving on to the star of the show, the G Pro X gaming headset, and I'm obviously going to keep this brief as I really want to utilise this for the next week or so and deliver a full review to you guys, so let me know if you're looking forward to that down below in the comment section. So this is definitely a headset that I've wanted to pick up after watching all the reviews, but just haven't get round to it. So in terms of design, I absolutely love the simplicity of this. It doesn't scream gamer, and honestly I could plug these into my phone and listen to music while going to do the weekly shop, and that's something I definitely look for when it comes to a gaming headset these days. I just love what Logitech have done here with the combination of matte black plastic, metal hinges, stitched leatherette headband with the Pro embossing on the top, and the metallic G on the ear cups. There's plenty of adjustment and they feel solid, so I'm sure they will survive some of my rage episodes without any worries. And on the head, they are super comfortable with good clamping force, and most importantly, the ear cups are deep enough that my ears aren't pressing against the drivers causing discomfort. You also get plenty of accessories in the box, including that detachable microphone that from the reviews sounded great thanks to Logitech having acquired Blue, and if you prefer not to use those leatherette ear cups due to sweating etc, no worries, as Logitech have included a spare set of felt ones in the box. And last of all, we have a nice carry case just in case you want to move these around. Again, all the aspects of this headset can be controlled in the G Hub software, but I will go over that in more detail during the full review, as I definitely want to put this through its paces. It's something I have been looking forward to. So that pretty much rounds it up guys. As I said, there is a little giveaway, and I'm going to give away the G502 Hero gaming mouse, as it's probably something that I won't utilise. So all you have to do to enter is leave a comment down below this video. That's it. You don't have to subscribe, but I would appreciate it if you are going to go ahead and watch other videos. If you aren't, then it's probably best that you don't bother, as YouTube's algorithm will probably not like that. So leave a comment down below, and in 2 weeks time I will pick a winner and I will ship this out to you. It's open worldwide as always, so leave a comment and we'll go ahead and sort this out, and I will obviously announce the winner over on Twitter, so make sure you are following me there. So if you have any questions about any of the products that you have seen today guys, let me know down below and I will definitely get back to you. As always, thank you so much for tuning in, I really appreciate it. stay safe, be kind to each other, and I will catch you on the next one. Peace.
Toast med den kan.